good job throwing it.
His horse was fast as polished steel. He wore his gun outside his pants. For all the honest world to feel. Punching days match you know the desert's down in Mexico.
So tonight for dinner, I'm actually going to be making one of the
first recipes I made when I started Weight Watchers. It was from actually Amanda Evolving, and I'll link her YouTube channel below. She has been a godsend. I've found so many recipes and so many great things that I love from her. So I just wanted to share one that, like I said, was within my first week I made this and I absolutely love it. It's low in points, it's pretty easy, and it always has enough leftovers for me to take for lunch the next day. So this is Dreamy Creamy Chicken, and I'm gonna make it with some white rice and some zucchini on the side. So we'll jump in and get started. Okay, first what I'm gonna do is go ahead, I have 2 zucchini for us. So all I'm gonna do is go ahead and spray this pan and then get these chopped up. Okay, and then I'll put this on like maybe medium. And then all I do is just cut it down the middle. And then just make some little mini slices. All right, and then just try to get them as even as you can, just so they'll cook evenly. I am not a master chef, so these are not perfect, but they're close enough. All right, and then all I'll do is a little bit of salt on there, a little bit of pepper, of course some garlic powder. And then for vegetables, I've really enjoyed using this Greek seasoning. I actually saw this on Lois Lane's channel and she puts it on everything, but I really like it on my vegetables. It's a Greek seasoning. It's kind of got a mixture of stuff in it, but I like it. Okay. Oh, whoops. That was open. Okay. Stuff happens. It's okay. You just roll with the punches. All right. Add in about a tablespoon of butter. Again, this is the light. And then just a little chicken broth to kind of get it steaming. Oh my God, you guys, I can't even pour it in the bowl. Oh my God. Oh, it's gonna be a long night, I can already tell. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get those started, and then we're gonna start on the chicken. Okay, so for the chicken, what we're gonna start with first is our liquid mixture. So what you're gonna need, y'all, apparently I have better fingers and I don't know. Okay, so what you're gonna need is a can of fat-free cream of chicken. You're gonna need real bacon bits. You're gonna need some mushrooms. You're gonna need some cheese. Light sour cream. Okay, so what you're gonna do first is just put your cream of chicken in the bowl. You're gonna do 1/4 cup of sour cream. And this is an 1/8, so that's why I'm gonna do 2. You're gonna add in 1/2 cup of cheese. You're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of bacon bits. And then you're gonna add in your mushrooms. It says to dice them up, but with mushrooms, I usually just take them and kind of crumble them. And you can put as much or as little as you want. We like mushrooms, so add them on in. And now what you're gonna do is just mix that all together. It doesn't look real appealing, but I promise you it's very good. Okay. And then I'll set that to the side for a minute. And then what we're gonna do is you're gonna use some kind of dish, whatever size you'd like. Just make sure you spray that. I have the oven set at 420. And then I'm just gonna take, this is two chicken breasts that I just cut in half. And then you just layer those. And then again, I just salt and pepper the top of these. And of course, okay, and then now your chicken is seasoned. All you're gonna do is pour your mixture on top. And then you're just going to wanna make sure it's kind of evened out over all the chicken. And then just spread it out. You're gonna add 1 more tablespoon of bacon bits to the top. And then you're just gonna cut some green onions over the top. Again, totally optional, but I think it's great on there. Okay, and now that's ready to go in the oven. Now the recipe says for 40 minutes at 420, but because I cut the 2 chicken breasts in half, I'm only doing it for about 20 minutes usually. So I'll let you know if that changes, but usually 20 minutes at 420. Okay, so we have the zucchini still cooking. I haven't added anything else to it, just kind of stirring it around, letting it get soft. So that is working. And then I have some water boiling for the rice. I just use this boil-a-bag rice. It winds up being a cup once you cook all of it. So I use that basically as serving sizes. So I'm gonna go ahead and make 3 because that'll be for tonight for dinner for him and I, and then lunch for me tomorrow. So basically once it gets to a boil, just drop these in. And I probably should have done a bigger pot, but I gotta do the dishes. So we're gonna work with what we got. So just let that cook. They take about 10 minutes-ish. So I'm just gonna keep an eye on these while the chicken is cooking. Okay, so it just came out of the oven. It looks so good. I always check my chicken just to make sure on the temp, and just stick it in and check, and we hit 165. So we should be good. I'm just gonna let that set for a minute. We're still finishing up the rice and the zucchini. So that the rice has just a couple more minutes, and then that'll be ready to come out. Zucchini look pretty ready, so I will show you guys this once I have it plated. And here is your final product. So you've got the zucchini with the seasonings, the rice, and Dreamy creamy chicken. You can put it on the side, but I really love to just cut it up and mix it in with the rice, and it is fantastic. So that is the dinner for tonight. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed getting to see our trip to Fredericksburg and enjoyed the Dreamy creamy chicken tonight. If you liked this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up down below, and also subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that way you'll be notified the next video that I post. So I look forward to seeing you guys back next time. Bye.